Before heading out to sea to support any possible tasking in response to COVID-19, the crew on board HMCS Ville de Québec had to sequester ashore for 14 days as per health and safety measures to ensure the entire ship's company was free of the virus. Today, we're joined by Commanding Officer of the ship, Commander Michael Eelhart, for more on their sequestration and being ready to respond when needed. Hi, sir. Thanks for being with us today. So what were the biggest challenges during the sequestration?
Yeah, so the biggest challenges for that sequestration period was to maintain the mental preparedness of the ship's company. Now, basically forcing people to live all by themselves in a small room is actually very hard. So that was the biggest challenge. To mitigate those type of things, we enabled that everyone had to be phoned every day, often by video, so we can get feel to make sure that they were mentally okay, and just give them that type of human interaction. We also enabled them and encouraged them to communicate with their families as much as possible by video or by phone. And at the same time, as we encouraged them to conduct a daily routine that enabled them to get through each day. Routine is the bedrock that we always move to, and it enabled people to positively move through each day.
Where is the crew now, and what will their duties be if they're called on to provide any support?
So the entire crew that sequestered in the hotel are now embarked in the ship. So we're all in the ship. We're currently off the coast of Nova Scotia, conducting operations, trying to engage with Canadians as best we can remotely without actually physically touching them. And we continue that engagement period. We're basically saying that we're ready to help if required for any federal or government request for assistance. And we remain capable and ready as a ready-duty ship for that type of activity.
With the efforts that are underway, what does a day look like now compared to before?
Where the big differences come is when we need to get fuel or other supplies and food, is we'd have to do those as carefully as possible. So we have minimal interaction with the people actually refueling the ship. And when we go alongside, all the supplies and stuff that we need have been put away for at least 3 days beforehand, so that when we embark them, we know that it's COVID-free. At the same time, as normally we would be able to explore the city that we're in, but right now, since we're totally clean, that we've kind of forced ourselves to hang out only on the ship or on the jetty itself. We're making the most of it, but those are the big differences.